Welcome to Bloggingify guys, and in this video I will guide you how you can purchase MemberHub Pro plugin for your WordPress website and how we can deliver it to on your WordPress website. So let's get started. So I will provide you the direct product link in the description box. So just check the description link and you will redirect on this type of product page. Here you can see we have mentioned all details about this product, and here's the installation guide, and we have lots of WordPress themes and plugins. So if you need anything else, so just click on the search icon and type what you need. Basically we provide 100% original product to our customer, to our client, so you will get all the future updates. Okay, so in this video we'll talk about MemberHub Pro plugin for your WordPress website. So let me explain you these things. Uses for one domain, update validity, lifetime auto update from your WordPress dashboard. Installation manually we will install. That means you have to share your website temporary access with us, and we will provide you installation in few minutes with original license key. Okay, so if you want to purchase this one, so just click on add to cart button. Now click on checkout button. Now here you have to fill your billing information, that is your first name, your last name, and other things, and select your payment method and confirm your payment. Okay, now after that you will redirect this type of thank you page, and here you can see a download button. So just click on it, and you will receive our premium contact support. So just set your website temporary access with us and we will provide you installation in a few minutes. That's a simple process. So I hope guys you love this video and tutorial too. So if you have any doubt, you can do a comment in comment section, and once again thank you so much for watching this video.